Hey there, fellow travelers. Ready to make your next trip smoother and more enjoyable? You know, traveling like a seasoned pro is all about those little tricks and tips that make life on the road a whole lot easier. Stick around as we dive into some awesome travel hacks that every traveler should know. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time flyer, these tips and tricks will help you make the most of your adventures. So, buckle up, grab your notepad, and get ready to revolutionize the way you travel. Alright, let's kick things off with a travel fundamental that can save you a world of trouble: protecting that precious passport. Before you even think about packing your bags, grab your passport and head to the nearest scanner. That's right, we're going digital. Scan a copy of your passport and email it to yourself. Think of it as your digital safety net. This way, if the unthinkable happens and your passport decides to take an unscheduled detour, you've got a backup plan. Just remember to delete the email once you've safely returned home. Alright, fellow travelers, let's talk about luggage. Tag your luggage as fragile. It often means your bag gets treated with more respect. Baggage handlers deal with hundreds of bags daily. The fragile tag is a reminder to handle with care. It increases the chances your bag will be on top and first off the plane. One of the biggest mistakes I see travelers make is overpacking. Remember folks, you're not moving in. It's about bringing the essentials and leaving the just-in-case items behind. Think about it. The less you carry, the more mobile you are. Be realistic about what you'll actually wear. Choose versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. And remember, laundry facilities exist all over the world. You can always wash your clothes if needed. Let's talk about packing cubes, those little rectangular wonders that can change the way you pack forever. I used to be a skeptic, but trust me, these things are game changers. You open your suitcase and instead of a jumbled mess of clothes, you find neatly packed cubes, each containing a specific category of clothing. That's the magic of packing cubes. They compress your clothes, maximizing space in your suitcase and keep everything organized. No more digging through a mountain of clothes to find that one sock. With packing cubes, you'll know exactly where everything is. They come in different sizes, so you can use them for everything from socks and underwear to shirts and pants. But the benefits go beyond organization. Packing cubes also help prevent wrinkles. By keeping your clothes compressed and secure, they're less likely to shift around and crease during transit. This is especially helpful for delicate fabrics or if you're packing for a special occasion. Trust me, once you try packing cubes, you'll never go back. You know, one thing I've learned over countless miles on the road is that you can't always avoid a little travel funk. Sometimes you're hopping off a crowded train, dashing through airports, or exploring a bustling market, and your clothes just pick up that, shall we say, lived-in aroma. That's why I always pack a small fragrance spray bottle. And I'm not talking about heavy perfumes or colognes. Just a little spritz of something light and refreshing can make a world of difference. Now you want to choose a scent that's subtle and travel-friendly. Look for something in a small, leak-proof bottle that won't take up much space in your luggage. And here's a pro tip. Decant your favorite fragrance into a travel-sized atomizer. That way you can enjoy your signature scent without the bulk. Let's face it, folks, when we're traveling, we accumulate a lot of little things. Earrings, rings, maybe a spare memory card for your camera. These tiny treasures have a knack for getting lost in the depths of our backpacks or purses. But fear not, I've got a solution that's both practical and budget-friendly: the humble Pillbox. That's right, the same container that keeps your daily medications organized can also be a traveler's best friend. Those little compartments are perfect for sorting and storing all those easy-to-lose items. Think earrings in one compartment, rings in another, maybe even a spare SIM card in another. And the beauty of it is, pillboxes are compact and durable. They'll easily slip into your carry-on without taking up much space, and they'll keep your valuables safe and sound. Plus, you can find them at any pharmacy for just a couple of euros or dollars. Alright, let's talk about staying fresh on the road, especially when you're on a tight budget or you find yourself in a pinch. Now, you might think I'm going to suggest some fancy travel-sized toiletries, but I've got a secret weapon that's been a backpacker's staple for years: plain old baby powder. You see, baby powder is like a multi-purpose miracle worker. Feeling a little sweaty after a long day of sightseeing? A little sprinkle of baby powder can absorb moisture and leave you feeling refreshed. Dealing with greasy hair after a long flight? Yep, baby powder can help absorb excess oil and add a bit of volume. And here's the best part. Baby powder is inexpensive and easy to find just about anywhere in the world. You can pack a small travel-sized container or even those handy single-use packets. I've got a tip for you, and it's as simple as packing a pillowcase. Now I know what you're thinking. GTV, I'm not packing extra bedding. But trust me on this one. A pillowcase is like the Swiss Army knife of travel gear. It can double as a laundry bag. No more stuffing dirty clothes into plastic bags. Sleep on your own pillowcase and you'll feel like you're right back in your own bed. Remember, smart packing is all about maximizing space and minimizing hassle. So next time you're packing for a trip, don't forget this versatile essential. Now let's talk about a small item that can make a big difference on your travels, the humble dryer sheet. Just tuck one into your suitcase and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes. It's like a breath of fresh air for your wardrobe, neutralizing odors and leaving your clothes smelling pleasant. Dryer sheets are also great for reducing static cling. Just give your clothes a quick rub with it. A dryer sheet, lightweight, inexpensive, and surprisingly versatile. Navigating a foreign country can be daunting but rewarding. Embrace the unknown and those lost in translation moments. Sometimes you need help deciphering a menu or asking for directions. That's where Google Translate comes in handy. Download languages for offline use before you leave home. It's a game changer. At a bustling market, use Google Translate's camera feature to translate food labels. Communication is key to unlocking a destination. With Google Translate, navigate language barriers and connect with locals. Now you might be thinking, a pen? Really, GTV? But trust me on this one. You wouldn't believe how often you'll need to jot something down while you're on the road. Whether it's filling out customs forms on that transatlantic flight, or scribbling down the address of that charming little trattoria you stumbled upon, a pen is an absolutely essential travel companion. Imagine this. You're at the airport, about to board, but you realize you need to fill out those pesky customs forms. You frantically search your backpack only to come up empty-handed. Everyone around you seems to have a pen except for you. Avoid that sinking feeling and always keep a pen handy. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. A simple ballpoint will do. Just make sure it's tucked away safely in your pocket or bag, ready for action when you need it. Long flights can really take a toll on your body, especially your legs and feet. But here's a travel tip that'll have you feeling like you're walking on clouds, even after a 10-hour flight: compression socks. They're specifically designed to improve blood circulation in your legs, which helps to prevent swelling and discomfort, especially during those long journeys. By gently squeezing your legs, they help to keep the blood flowing properly, preventing that uncomfortable, heavy feeling. Plus, they can even help to reduce the risk of deep vein thrombosis, a serious condition that can occur during long periods of inactivity. So next time you're packing for a trip, toss a pair or two of compression socks into your bag. We've all been there. You arrive at your hotel room, exhausted from a long day of sightseeing, only to realize you've forgotten your phone charger. Panic sets in as you imagine being completely disconnected from the world. But fear not, my friends. There's a clever little travel hack that can save the day: the trusty hotel room TV. Believe it or not, many modern TVs come equipped with USB ports that can be used for charging your electronics. Simply connect your phone or tablet using your USB cable, just like you would with your regular charger, and voila! You're back in business. This little trick can be a lifesaver in a pinch, especially if you're traveling to a country with different electrical outlets. No need to frantically search for an adapter or a replacement charger. Just flip on the TV and give your phone a much-needed power boost. Okay, fellow travelers, imagine this. You're at the airport, but there's only one available outlet. You've got your phone, your camera, your laptop, all begging for juice. Don't panic. This is where a little pre-trip planning goes a long way. Packing a small power strip is like bringing along your own portable charging station. It's one of those simple things that can make a world of difference. Instead of juggling charging times or desperately searching for an adapter, you've got everything under control. Why is packing this in your carry-on such a genius idea? Because when you get to the gate and find that all the plugs are taken, you can nicely ask one of the plug owners if it's okay to swap your power strip so both of you can plug in and power up. We all know the drill at airport security: no liquids allowed. But savvy travelers, listen up. You can actually save money and stay hydrated with this simple trick. Just pack an empty, reusable water bottle in your carry-on. Once you're through security, find a water fountain and fill her up. So there you have it, a simple, eco-friendly and budget-friendly travel hack. Well folks, there you have it. A backpack full of handy travel hacks to make your next trip smoother, smarter, and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. This is Global Travel Venture. Until next time, safe travels.